Differentiated instruction. I am going to study how supervision that comes from school leaders, especially from principals or head teachers, on how they give instruction or guidance to their teachers on how to deliver good lessons. One size doesn't fit all. So being a good leader, you have to identify your clients, in this case, your teachers. The objective in these two photos are for you to see what is happening on the other side of the fence. Some of your teachers are very tall, like myself, I think. And at the end of the spectrum, you have another person who cannot even stand properly and maybe see something through the cracks on the wall. That is equality. If the leader would treat his teachers all the same across the board, then it is not fair. It wouldn't be fair for the teacher with insight in the blue shirt. Neither would it be fair to the teacher in the purple one. If you see on your right, it is equality. So, a good leader will identify a person who doesn't need any supervision or need minimal supervision compared to another person who needs more supervision, or he can introduce PLC, which is Professional Learning Community, and he would ask this teacher to instruct or to guide or to mentor or to coach his friend. In our Malaysia Education Blueprint 2013 to 2025, there are two shifts that I want to highlight, and that is this one: transform teaching into the profession of choice. This is the ideal thing, but this is not what's happening now. Some of our teachers, some study shows that teachers or people who ventured into this profession consider that teaching is their life's choice. And also the fifth shift in the Malaysia Education Blueprint is to ensure high-performing school leaders in every school. So what I want to understand is how supervision works in ensuring these two shifts are achieved. This is the letter, Professional Circular number 3, 1987, which instruct penyeliaan pengajaran pembelajaran, in other words, supervision of teaching and learning, which instructs the school leaders to supervise and give instructional techniques to their teachers. This one is the framework ventured by Glickman, which Glickman mentioned there are three prerequisites that is required to all supervisors, regardless whether you are a teacher or you are a school leader. And that is, number one is knowledge. You have to be well versed of what you are going to give the instruction about. You have to possess a good interpersonal skills. You do not just give orders. You can befriend them sometimes. You can go fishing with your teachers, so on and so forth. That's a skill. And the final one is the technical skills. The technical skills that is required from all teachers or all school leaders, just to make sure that you can present a good supervision, and across the board, hopefully, all the teachers would become professionals, regardless whether you are a novice teacher who just got posted, or you are a senior teacher who just become complacent and become safe in your safe zone. So hopefully within the 5 minutes you would understand what I'm going to discuss in my thesis or dissertation. Thank you very much.